What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the battery on this Craftsman R110 lawnmower. To do this job, all you're going to need is a 10mm socket and a 13mm socket. We're going to start by using that 10mm socket to remove the negative cable. After you got it cracked loose, a lot of times it's a little easier to back it out with your fingers. Now I'm going to come over here to the positive cable and do the same thing. There's also a tie down for the battery, and that's what you're going to use the 13mm for. I was getting some back drag from the ratchet, so I came in here with just the socket to pull it the rest of the way out. After you've got that bolt out, you can pull the battery tie down out, and you can take the battery out. This is my new battery. I got it for like 115 bucks at Walmart. The part number is TX9. You're going to need something that looks like this. These batteries also come with new hardware. So now you can just drop your battery back into the tray. And I like to tuck that negative cable back pretty good so there's no unintended contact. This is what the bolt threads into, and it's going to go inside the post on the battery. And you may have a little bit of trouble starting the bolt for the battery. You can use like a flathead screwdriver or something to pull that threaded piece up. And after you've got it started, you can go ahead and tighten down the bolt for that positive cable and then put that red cover back on. And then you can do the same thing for the negative side. After you've got that done, you can put the bolt for the tie down back in. And after that, hopefully you'll be good to start mowing again. If your mower's been sitting all winter and it won't start at the beginning of the mowing season, this is probably your issue. If your mower still won't start, you can leave me a comment and we can try and figure that out. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you all for watching.